Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I got another quick video for you. So right now the quick video is we're gonna install a no drilling license plate. All right, this is for the back. I did one for the front already. You should probably have seen it. If not, it's on the channel. Anyway, we're going to do one for the rear. So I have the kit. Let me show it to you real quick and then we can go and start the process. A lot of you guys who watch my channel have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below, put notification bell on so you don't miss any of my video. Without further ado, let's custom it. Okay guys, so this kit is from these guys. My customer bought it, so I'm just gonna install it for him. This is it. This is basically specifically for the GR Corolla. I'll show you how this one goes. So this basically goes like that. You got to take this part out. So what I'm going to do now, it's an Allen key. This one is a 3, so you just take this back part out. So I'm going to do that now. I'll show you what it looks like. I think, hold on, it should come out. So you take this out. So that's how it comes. The screws come with a little I don't know what you want to call that. I don't know what you want to call it, but basically this little circle. Okay, so what you do is you put this plate thing like that, and then you put the screw in here, and then you screw that in there. It's very simple, guys. Alright, so we do the same thing on the other side. Okay, this is tight. Make sure I didn't forget anything. Alright guys, this is done. So now all you have to do is literally put your plate on it. I don't know what this is not tight. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be. Before we put this thing on, I'm gonna put a little bit of foam so it doesn't vibrate around, because it's just a tiny bit loose and I don't like it. So we're just gonna put a little bit of foam over here. I'll show you. All right guys, I put a little bit of foam here, so when I put the license plate holder, it's gonna be very secure. It's not gonna flap around, because it was flapping a little bit and I didn't like it. You could do it without. It's just me wanting to put this in there, guys. All right, that's a little bit more secure. I prefer that. A lot better, guys, a whole lot better. Prefer that so much better. And then we can put the license plate again, guys. All right guys, license plate is on. So that's it guys, I fixed it. We are all good now. That's it. Like and subscribe, comment down below, tell me what you think. Until the next time, peace.